Video, What Can Save the Rainforest shows solution for illegal logging. It is reported that deforestation takes more part in global warming than transportation, and it is reported that illegal logging takes significant part in total deforestation. However, it is very hard to catch illegal loggers because of the large forest sound. Topher suggests cell phone for solution. He invented devices that can detect the sound of the chainsaw and send email when the sound is detected. It is expected to catch many illegal loggers red-handed. This presentation suggested a solution for illegal logging, but it was the way how he invented it was the thing that shocked me the most. It shocked me in that he used something that's already there. We don't have to make something tremendous to invent a good product. What we really have to focus on is to find out how to use what we already have. From that point, this presentation showed not only solution for deforestation but showed a great example of connecting things. First, guessing meaning of unfamiliar words. I didn't know posted around sanctuary, for example, but since he said guards are posted around sanctuary to guard against illegal loggers, I was able to guess that it might mean that guards are located at the place which is protected, and this strategy was quite useful to understand this presentation. Second, I used read transcript. Reading transcript during listening was not very effective. It was hard to focus on Topher. I couldn't look at his face, I couldn't look at his hand gesture, and it made me feel like I was not listening to the presentation but just the recording. Third, I used watch and discuss with a partner. After watching this video, I had a talk with my sister. She told me that there must be a lot of cell phone required to locate it all over the forest and to detect the location of a sound. The more the cell phone, the better. Theoretically, cell phones located from the loggers less than certain distance would catch the sound, and what guards have to do is to go to the middle of the reported areas. However, in reality, every cell phones have different speaker which detect the sound, and it would be looks like this. It might looks like random, and for guards it would be challenging to guess where the loggers are. After discussing this, we are up to conclusion that every cell phone should be same in order to make alert system effective. It was quite good that I could contemplate over the content of the presentation because it made me think more deeply about this topic. So these are the words that I found, and let me explain. Periphery means external boundary, dedicated, committed to something, enforce, force, real-time, actual time, which process is going on, obscure, not clear, posted around, located, stumble upon, meet accidentally, fired up, light something, come up with, arrive with something, take a moment, take a time, account for, explain. So I made sample sentences with these words. I was on the periphery of my high school reunion. I haven't been a dedicated student since I was very young, and nobody could enforce me to join school project. However, it was KakaoTalk that enabled real-time intervention of my friends, and they kept telling me to join them. Now, I'm a obscure outsider. I was posted around DMZ when I was in the army. I stumbled upon North Korean secret weapon, and I fired it up, and I came up with the idea that it might be pretty dangerous. So I took a moment to take a deep breath and accounted for the weapon to my boss.